Did you know that a year on Mercury is only 88 Earth days long? That's right, Mercury, the smallest and innermost planet in our solar system, zips around the sun at a breakneck speed. Sitting a mere 36 million miles from the sun, it's no wonder this tiny planet has earned the nickname the Swift Planet. Its close proximity and rapid orbital speed result in a year that's just a fraction of ours. Now, you might think that being so close to the sun would make Mercury a hot place all the time. But without a substantial atmosphere to trap the heat, Mercury experiences some of the most extreme temperature swings in the solar system. It can reach a scorching 800 degrees Fahrenheit during the day, but drop to a freezing minus 290 degrees at night. So, if you lived on Mercury, you'd celebrate your birthday every 3 months. Ever thought of Venus as Earth's twin? Well, think again. Both planets are similar in size, mass, and composition, often leading to the comparison as sibling planets. But that's where the similarities end, and the stark differences begin. Venus has a peculiar trait that sets it apart from most other planets in our solar system, a retrograde rotation. While Earth and its fellow planets spin anticlockwise on their axis, Venus defiantly twirls in the opposite direction. And let's not forget about Venus's notorious climate. It's infamous for its extreme greenhouse effect. Its thick atmosphere traps heat, making it the hottest planet in our solar system, even hotter than Mercury, which is closer to the sun. This scorching climate is a result of the carbon dioxide-rich atmosphere, a stark contrast to the life-supporting conditions on our home planet. So while Venus might look like Earth's twin, it's more like its evil twin. Earth, our home, is the only known planet to support life. But why is that? What makes Earth so unique, so special? Let's break it down. First off, water, the elixir of life, covers more than 2/3 of our planet's surface. This precious liquid is vital for all known forms of life. Next up, our atmosphere, a cocktail of nitrogen, oxygen, and a dash of other gases. It's this breathable air that sustains life as we know it, acting as a blanket that keeps our planet warm and cozy. But let's not forget our planet's unsung hero, the magnetic field. This invisible shield protects us from harmful solar radiation, making Earth a safe haven in the harsh expanse of space. So while we keep searching for life elsewhere in the cosmos, let's not forget to appreciate the miracle that is Earth. Mars, the red planet, is home to the tallest volcano in the solar system. This mammoth mountain, Olympus Mons, stands at a staggering 13 miles high, dwarfing even the mighty Mount Everest here on Earth. A shield volcano, Olympus Mons was formed over billions of years by repeated lava flows. But the intrigue of Mars doesn't stop with its topography. There's a compelling possibility that life, in some form, might have once existed on this distant, desert-like world. For years, scientists have found tantalizing clues, from traces of water to complex organic molecules. Today, we are actively exploring Mars, with rovers like Perseverance trundling across its rusty landscape, drilling into rocks, and analyzing samples. These missions aim to unlock the secrets of Mars's past and potentially unveil whether life once existed there. So while Mars might not have life now, it could tell us about life's existence elsewhere in the past. Jupiter, the largest planet in our solar system, has a magnetic field 20,000 times stronger than Earth's. This colossal gas giant, primarily composed of hydrogen and helium, is so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Its powerful magnetic field, swirling with charged particles, creates an intense radiation environment that would be lethal to humans. But it's not all doom and gloom. Jupiter's immense gravitational pull has also captured a remarkable collection of moons. There are at least 79 of them, each with its unique characteristics. One of these moons, Ganymede, stands out from the rest. It's not only the largest moon orbiting Jupiter, but it also holds the title of the largest moon in our entire solar system, even surpassing the size of the planet Mercury. So while you wouldn't want to get too close to Jupiter, it's definitely a sight to behold. Saturn's rings are not solid. They are made up of particles of ice, dust, and rock. These particles range in size from tiny grains, similar to the sand you might find at a beach, to massive chunks as big as a house. The rings themselves are thin, only about 10 feet thick, but they span up to 280,000 kilometers in diameter. That's nearly 3/4 of the distance between Earth and our moon. The origin of these rings is still a subject of debate among scientists. Some believe they are remnants of a moon that was shattered by Saturn's gravity. Others propose they're the result of icy comets that were torn apart upon entering the planet's gravitational field. Saturn is also home to a staggering number of moons, over 60 in fact. The largest, Titan, is unique in the solar system for having its own thick atmosphere. So, while Saturn's rings might not be the solid disks we imagine, they're still a spectacular sight. Did you know that Uranus spins on its side? Yes, this icy giant is quite the cosmic oddball. Unlike the other planets in our solar system, Uranus has an unusual axial tilt of about 98 degrees. This peculiar orientation means that its north and south poles face directly towards the sun at different times during its orbit, leading to extreme seasons that last for 21 Earth years each. Imagine an endless winter or summer that lasts for over 2 decades. Now let's talk about its stunning ring system. Uranus is encircled by 13 distinct rings, each one composed of dark, icy particles. These rings are believed to be relatively young, possibly formed by the collision of moons or other celestial bodies. And don't let the beautiful blue-green color fool you. Uranus's atmosphere is a frigid place, composed mainly of hydrogen, helium, and a dash of methane. The methane absorbs red light and reflects the sun's blue light, giving the planet its unique color. So while Uranus might not be the most hospitable place, it's certainly one of the most unique. Neptune has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds of a staggering 2,100 kilometers per hour. It's a planet of extremes, where the weather is as wild as it gets. Neptune's atmosphere is a swirling, churning maelstrom, home to giant storm systems that can last for years, perhaps even centuries. Some of these storms are so dark and dense they've been dubbed the Great Dark Spot, akin to Jupiter's famous Great Red Spot. But it's not just the planet itself that's intriguing. Neptune's largest moon, Triton, adds to the planet's oddity. Unlike most moons that move in the same direction as their planet spins, Triton marches to the beat of its own drum, orbiting in the opposite direction to Neptune's rotation. This peculiarity makes Neptune and Triton a unique duo in our solar system. So while Neptune might be a turbulent place, it's a fascinating world to explore. From Mercury's swift year to Neptune's fierce winds, our solar system is full of surprises. Mercury, our smallest planet, zips around the sun in just 88 Earth days, a speedster in our celestial neighborhood. Its surface, scarred by countless meteor impacts, tells the tale of its violent past. Venus, our closest neighbor, is often called Earth's twin due to its similar size. But the resemblance ends there. With surface temperatures hotter than a pizza oven and a thick, toxic atmosphere, Venus is anything but hospitable. Then there's our home, Earth, the only known place in the universe to harbor life. An oasis in the vastness of space, it's a world of varied landscapes, from the towering Himalayas to the deep Mariana Trench. Mars, the red planet, is a frozen desert today, but evidence suggests it was once wet and warm. Could it have supported life? The rovers trundling across its surface hope to answer that question. Jupiter, the gas giant, is so massive that over 1,000 Earths could fit inside it. Its Great Red Spot, a storm that's raged for centuries, is so large that 3 Earths could fit inside it. Saturn, the ringed beauty, is best known for its stunning system of icy rings. But did you know it's not the only planet with rings? Jupiter, Uranus, and Neptune have them too, albeit less prominent. Uranus, the sideways planet, has an axial tilt so extreme it essentially orbits the sun on its side. This results in wildly varying seasons that last for decades. Finally, Neptune, the windy planet, has the strongest winds in the solar system, reaching speeds up to 1,500 miles per hour. That's faster than the speed of sound. It's a vast, fascinating universe out there, and we've only just begun to explore it.